Let's take a quick video for Grandma. What do you have to say to your grandma? Yeah? What do you have to say to your grandma? Can you talk to your grandma? You look like you're going to spit up. Did you just get the hiccups? You hate the hiccups. Yeah? Why don't you do some kicky feet so Grandma can see? Why don't you do some kicky feet so Grandma can see? Nothing, huh? Yeah? Tell Grandma you were talkative a whole lot before you got the hiccups. But now that you have the hiccups, you don't say as much. Yeah? What's up, little man? Yeah, are you looking right at the camera? You're such a cutie pie. You are. Oh, cute baby. Yeah? Okay, tell Grandma that we have to go. And you're getting squirrely and Mommy has to finish her coffee. Okay, no, that's a lot. I know that's a lot to say. Okay, let's pick you up and get rid of those hiccups. What do you say? Yeah? Yeah, hiccups suck, don't they? Big yawn. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye.